The ultimate Christmas cocktail with your Nija Cafe Luxe, an Espresso Martini. This is so easy, so simple, and the Nija and its settings make it absolutely fantastic. Let's jump straight into this one. And welcome back to the channel, everybody. One air fryer too many, and today, like I've just said, I'm using the Nija Cafe Luxe that I unboxed back in August. This has had some serious hammer since then. I'm going to be doing an update video in the new year on what I think of this machine, the pluses and the minuses. Right, Espresso Martini, proper Christmas drink. So I've got myself some Espresso Martini glasses. You are going to need obviously a coffee machine. Today we're going to use the Nija Cafe Luxe. You need a cocktail shaker. I've got this awesome little one that I borrowed off my neighbour Lauren, so thanks for the use of this. You need some vodka, some coffee syrup. I'm using Kahlua, a little measuring cup or a shot glass, and syrup. Normally it's a sugar syrup, but my secret ingredient to this one is this vanilla coffee syrup. Get it on Amazon or Home Bargains, anywhere like that. It's about £4 for a litre and it is fantastic. Right, we're going to need some ice to go with this as well, and that is it. So I'm going to move you in closer, show you what I'm doing with the Nija, talk you through it, and then in no time at all we will be sipping a velvety smooth Espresso Martini. Fingers crossed. If you like the content and you're finding it useful, make sure you're hitting that subscribe notifications so you don't miss another video. New videos every week. Right, let's move you in and let's get cracking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our shaker and we're going to pop some ice into the bottom. I'm going to go with, then that's going to go underneath the Nija coffee machine. Then I'm going to get the portafilter, I'm going to pop it in, I'm going to switch the machine on, and I'm going to turn the dial round to cold press. And this is where this machine comes into its own, because it's actually going to cold press the actual coffee through the coffee grinds, through the portafilter. It's not going to be roasting hot. It's saying that we need to dial down to a much finer grind, and we're going to press start grind. And we're going to tamp it twice. Once, twice, and take it out. And there it is. Nice and even, nicely tamped. And then I'm actually just going to lock that out again just to make it easier. I'm going to lock that on. Then I'm going to put that back under with the ice in, and I'm going to press go. I'm going to press brew. And I am using the double basket for this. Now, if you've never used the cold press or cold brew on this before doing this, it does take a bit longer than the hot press. It allows the coffee to actually soak first before it then pushes more water through. So we'll just give this the last 2 bars to go. And this is where most of the coffee will now come out. Okay, it says it's done. So let's take this off, let's have a look. And there we have 1 shot of cold pressed coffee. Right, next into this we need to add a few more bits. So I'm going to go in with 10 ml of the vanilla syrup. I'm going to go in with 1 shot or 25 ml of Kahlua or coffee liqueur, Tea Marie or anything like that, but I like the Kahlua. And then we're going to go in with 2 shots or 50 ml of vodka. We're then going to go on with the lid. Make sure it's all tight, and we're going to give this a little shake. Shaking done. Let's tip it out. So we take 1 glass. See if you can get the lid off. There we go. And then we are going to pour this out. Like so. And then we're just going to finish the top with some coffee beans. 3 beans on the top. And that is it. So got the beans on top, and you can see you've got a crema layer on the top and the coffee cocktail underneath. Let me know what you think. I'm not a barista, but I would say pretty easy to make using the Nija Cafe Luxe. Right, let's have a taste and see what we think. Right, cheers everybody. Wow, that hits the spot. That packs a punch, and it tastes incredible. You would not think that that has 2 shots of vodka, a shot of Kahlua, a shot of espresso, and just under half a shot of vanilla syrup. For me, the vanilla syrup, oh, it just makes it. Imagine like a vanilla latte out your machine. Fantastic. What are they? Let me know where you are in the world. How much would you have to pay for an espresso martini? Around here, for me, you're looking easily between £8 and £12 for one of those in a bar. Knock it out in your machine, well easy. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you make them using the Nija? Any tips and tricks you want to share with me? Bang them in the comments, I would love to read them. Right, in the new year I am going to be doing some more stuff with the Nija coffee bar. So I'm going to be doing the tiramisu that I promised. That is an absolute winner. I'm thinking of doing affogato, where I'm going to make the ice cream myself. I'm going to do a coffee ice cream in the Nija ice cream machine, and then cover it with a double shot of espresso out of this bad boy. Let me know if you would like to see anything, if you want any information on this. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit me up in the comments, and you are hitting that subscribe notifications to help the channel grow. Right, in the meantime guys, make sure you have a cracking Christmas. Hopefully you'll be trying a couple of these, and I'll see you again for one more video, probably, maybe two, before the year is out. Right, thanks for watching again. See you later.